Hi there, it's Roy Breton here from gardenequipmentreview.com. Today we're going to look at the Oregon chainsaw helmet. Now this is the second chainsaw helmet I've had of this type. Let me show it to you here. Here it is, all comes boxed, comes in a few parts. Just for a look. So basically you've got the basic helmet, comes in one piece. Then the ear muffs clip on here, and then this protective visor has to be attached just simply by twisting these little things here. There's a few of them, I don't know if the camera's showing them, but pretty straightforward, and then it just pushes in. Like with all things, well, the first time you do it you have to look a bit, and but I've had a lot worse things to assemble. So like I say, this is the second chainsaw helmet I've had. I'm going to give this 5 stars. I haven't written an Amazon review yet, but I will, because I use this for about 1,000 hours per year. I know that because I do a lot of stump grinding, and the machine does around about 1,000 hours of work per year. So for me, for a chainsaw helmet that is under £20, £17.99 to be precise, it's good value. Now I've seen similar helmets or identical helmets with steel on the front, different names, for 3 times the price. So just be aware. Now it's not particularly, the ear muffs aren't the best in the world, as in for sound, for keeping sound out, but they, they're okay. And I listen to audio when I'm working using a machine, so they obviously knock out quite a bit of noise. This visor is adjustable. You can just pull it up and pull it down again, something like that. It's easier when it's on your head. So all in all, for £20, like I say, my ones last a year. I've had a problem with the ear muffs wearing. I'll show you where they've worn, because I've got the old helmet here. So this is the old one, 1 year old, and it has just here, you see the ear muff on this bit here. It comes out. Now I can still use this, but it's not ideal, because it keeps the ear muffs keep falling out. It does just clip into place, but if I move it about a bit, you'll see that they will like that, falls out. So I can't complain for £20. It's been the back of my vehicle, been laying on the ground, been knocked and what have you, and for £18 a year's use, that's not too bad. And the rest of the helmet's still okay. If anyone's got any bright ideas about how to just make these holes slightly bigger so that they fit, so it fits tighter in these holes, that'd be great. But probably not worth playing about with, to be fair, as time is money. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing your comments and any points of view you have to make. Thanks very much. Have a great day.